Surya, any update on Harshit Rana? Has he been ruled out or is he still there?
अभी तक रूल आउट नहीं हुआ है, बट वार्म अप गेम के बाद ही वॉजंट लुकिंग गुड. फिजियोज असेस कर रहे हैं, बट आई थिंक आज तो पता चल ही जाएगा कि क्या हो रहा है. बट ही डजेंट लुक गुड. इट्स नॉट दैट ग्रेट.
उनके टीम में भी 3-4 प्लेयर बम्बई से खेले हुए हैं, आपको भी पता है. और बोला जा रहा है मजाक में कि भाई ग्रीन कार्ड वर्सेस आधार कार्ड का मैच चल रहा है. हाँ हाँ, ये मजाक में चल रहा है, लेकिन सूर्या, लेकिन आपका भी एक लाइफ सर्कल जैसे कंप्लीट हो रहा है, क्योंकि बम्बई से आप इसी मट्टी से आप निकले हो और आज आप वर्ल्ड कप लीड करने जा रहे हो. ये सब आप किस नज़रिए से देखते हो?
वो तो अब चले गए डॉलर की मट्टी पे. बट अच्छा नज़रिए से देखता हूँ मैं. अभी अच्छा है कि लोगों को अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रही है, हालांकि दूसरे कंट्री से खेल रहे हैं, बट इट्स अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर देम. मैं खेला हूँ उनके साथ बहुत क्रिकेट, बट अभी हम लोग अपने क्रिकेट में पूरा एकदम मस्त हैं. जैसा हम लोग क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं, पूरा क्रिकेट हमने यहाँ पे, मैंने तो एटलीस्ट बॉम्बे में खेला है, तो आई नो हाउ इट वर्क्स हियर. और मज़ा आएगा. विल स्टार्ट द टूर्नामेंट टुमारो. उसके बाद धीरे धीरे कड़ी पकड़ेंगे. कैप्टन के हैसियत से अच्छा लग रहा है. बार बार मैं रिमाइंड करते रहता हूँ, जो कैप्टन पता नहीं बोलते तो थोड़ा ओवर रेटेड लगता है. वो लीडर बोलो, लीडर बोलने में थोड़ा अच्छा लगता है. लीडर वाला फीलिंग. तो क्या है, कैप्टन बोलते हो तो थोड़ा वो हल्की सी कॉम्प्लेसेंसी आ जाती है. बट इट्स गुड. अच्छा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है इतने अच्छे ग्रुप को लीड करने का, होम सॉइल पे, एंड स्टार्टिंग द कैंपेन फ्रॉम वानखेड़े. तो बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ और अच्छी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी है.
सूर्य भाई, ईशान किशन पे अगर मैं पूछूं कि जब से वो टीम में आए, नंबर 3 पे न्यूजीलैंड के अगेंस्ट बैटिंग की, वार्म अप में ओपन किया, जिस तरह का उनका एक ग्राफ रहा है टीम के आने के बाद, क्या कहेंगे आप? काफ़ी खुश दिखे थे पिछले मैच के उनके हाफ सेंचुरी के बाद. तो ईशान किशन का इम्पैक्ट इन द ड्रेसिंग रूम और जिस तरह से वो आए हैं, क्या वो हम एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं कि वर्ल्ड कप में ओपनिंग करते हुए दिखेंगे अब?
डेफिनेटली. जैसा क्रिकेट उसने खेला है अभी लास्ट 5 T20 में, वो तो अभी इंटरनेशनल गेम थे इसलिए इतना उठ के दिखा. बट जो आप देखोगे, अगर वो जो डोमेस्टिक क्रिकेट भी खेल रहा था, मुश्ताक अली ट्रॉफी जो T20 होती है हमारी, उसमें भी उसने ऐसा ही बैटिंग किया था और उसने सेम चीज़ आके यहाँ पे कैरी किया. भले से ओपन या 3 नंबर पे उसको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला, एंड कल वार्म अप गेम में उसने ओपन किया. तो मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि वो ऐसे ही बैटिंग करे, जो भी पोजीशन पे वो खेले. 3 से नीचे तो खेलेगा नहीं, बट लेकिन वो अपॉर्चुनिटी जो भी आएगी उसको वो ऐसे ही बैटिंग करे.
सूर्या, हर्षित का अगर वो रूल आउट होते हैं कितना बड़ा ब्लो होगा? बिकॉज ऑलराउंडर हैं. वॉशिंगटन का भी फिटनेस स्टेटस हमको नहीं मालूम है, तो ऑलराउंडर्स की तहत मतलब ऐसे से बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट प्लेयर्स है ये टीम के लिए.
चिंता मत करो, 11 है हमारे पास कल के लिए. बट लेकिन अभी बिग ब्लो तो ऑब्वियसली होता है, क्योंकि आप अगर एक स्क्वाड बनाते हो 15 का, तो उसमें आप बहुत कॉम्बिनेशन सोच के बनाते हो ये स्क्वाड. तो उसका भी वही सोच के हमने बनाया था. और अगर वो अवेलेबल नहीं होता है हमारे लिए आगे गोइंग फॉरवर्ड, तो फिर हम दूसरे कॉम्बिनेशन सेट करेंगे कैसे कर सकते हैं. बट हमारे पास इनफ प्लेयर्स है, इनफ कॉम्बिनेशंस है सब टीम्स के अगेंस्ट में, जो हम बना सके ये टूर्नामेंट के लिए. बट इफ़ वी मिस हिम, वी विल डेफिनेटली मिस हिम.
Surya, all the best for the tournament. And
Thank
another question of Harshit with a different undertone. If eventually he is ruled out, that would be unfortunate. But who are the replacement options?
देखेंगे अभी कौन से फास्ट बॉलर्स है who've डन रियली वेल फॉर लास्ट 1 or 2 years, और कौन ऐसा कोई बॉलर है जो बैटिंग भी कर सकता है. बट ऐसे कोई हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल नहीं है कि बैटिंग कर सकता है, क्योंकि अगर आप 9 नंबर 10 नंबर पे किसी को एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो आके छक्का मारने के लिए, तो उसके पहले 8 लोग को क्या करोगे, वो क्या बोलोगे. बट लेकिन वी विल सी किसको लेना है. बट वी डू हैव अ फ्यू ऑप्शंस, एंड बट वी विल पिक द बेस्ट वन.
सूर्या, 1 महीना चलने वाली टूर्नामेंट है एंड वी हैव सीन सरप्राइजेस इन दिस फॉर्मेट बिफोर. सो हाउ इम्पॉर्टेंट इज टुमारोज गेम गोइंग टू बी, क्योंकि पहले ही मैच है.
आई थिंक सारा जितने भी गेम्स हम खेलेंगे कल से, लाइक फ्रॉम वार्म अप गेम भी हमारे लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट ही था टू सेट द टोन फॉर द वर्ल्ड कप. और अब कोई भी टीम के अगेंस्ट खेलो वर्ल्ड कप में, आई थिंक सारे गेम इंपॉर्टेंट रहेंगे. आप किसी भी टीम को लाइटली नहीं ले सकते हो. ये जो फॉर्मेट है, ये फॉर्मेट में यू जस्ट रिक्वायर 2 good बैटर्स ऑन अ गिवन डे और 1 or 2 good bowlers to make a difference. So you have to be switched on all the time in every game. And we've seen it before during the T20 World Cups or any tournaments, that yes, teams have troubled a lot of teams. So we'll have to bring our A game, set the tone from tomorrow.
Surya, not having a strong team in the initial rounds, maybe except Pakistan, is it an advantage or a disadvantage? How do you see that?
Sir, I don't see any weak teams in the competition. There are all 20 teams are very much capable of playing some good cricket in this format. As I said, it's a format where you can see a good player doing well on any given day. That requires 1 or 2 batters to make a difference, or 1 or 2 bowlers to have a good 24 balls on that given day. So we will have to play the same way as we've been playing against all the teams. So there's no weak or tough teams in the competition. I think all are the same.
Surya, every tournament that India comes into, especially World Cups, they come in with a lot of expectations. But this time the expectations are a lot more higher because of the performance of the team in the last 19 months, having lost just 5 or 6 matches. So how are you looking forward to handling that expectations and playing at home as well?
See, I think when you're playing at home, there is always an added pressure. I'm not running away from the fact. To be honest, there will be nerves, there will be pressure. But if you see the positive side of it, there'll be a lot of cheer around. You're playing at home soil, so you know there are people backing you. Talking about expectations, yes, definitely the way we've played in the last 1 or 2 years, people must be expecting the same way, and we will try giving them more reasons to stay on top, to play the same brand of cricket. There's so many people coming to watch in the stadiums. I've told my boys the same thing. There are 35,000 people coming, so many people watching at home. Let's give them a good time. Let's give them entertainment.
Surya, as the leader, as an individual who is also the leader of this camp, how do you see this competition where India is expected to kind of go all the way, win the trophy, and that will again be a third title win, which no other team has done in the past? How do you look at this possibility as a leader?
See, there's no double thought that we've been playing good cricket, but at the same time, you have to be in present as well. Yes, you are playing at home. You are expected to win the tournament. The way you've been playing your cricket, no one has defended the title. No one has won on the home soil. Yes, everything runs in everyone's mind, but at the same time, you have to be in the present as well. You have to see what you want to give, what you want to do on the given day. कैसा क्रिकेट आप खेलना चाहते हो, that is I think very important, and just stay in the present, have your feet where you are, stay grounded, because when you're playing at home you want to be more excited, you want to give people more than they expect, and that times you might make a mistake, but I think staying in present will be the key in this World Cup, even though we go till the end. But I think every game we play, we will have to be very relaxed and think about the game what we're playing.
Surya, at the time of the selection, you did admit that left hand and right hand combination is kind of overrated. But in a top 8 that could possibly have 6 left-handers. Does that become a different headache to manage for the management? How do you handle it?
अब आप बोलो छक्के चौके देखने मज़ा आ रहा है कि नहीं आपको? आ रहा है. I think it's a good headache. And I do feel it is an overrated conversation, because at this stage, when you've played so much cricket against the left arm spinners, off spinners, whatever it is, you've played enough cricket, you practice a lot. So on a given day, irrespective a spinner or a fast bowler is bowling to 2 left-handers or 2 right-handers, I think your job is to do what you do the best for the team, and that's what is happening.
Surya, India have generally tried to focus on, to your right,
Sorry.
focus on their own strengths more than look at the opposition. But teams like US, Namibia, Netherlands, you've not played a lot against them. So how much work goes into figuring out what to expect from those sides?
We do see a lot of videos. Yes, we don't play them often, but at the same time, we have a lot of preparations going on when we have bowlers meeting, batters meeting. We see the bowlers. We play similar kind of fast bowlers when we are practicing in the nets as well. So yes, there are a lot of preparations behind it, though we have a disadvantage that we don't get to play these nations. But definitely you have to be prepared. At this level, there's no excuse.
Hi Surya, just wanted to know, like, how is the confidence level in a team that you have won recently 4-1 against New Zealand, which was very good, and now against the practice match against South Africa? How is the atmosphere in the dressing room?
See, the atmosphere is good. The mood in the camp is really nice, very positive. Most important is that people are enjoying what's happening around as a group. So that's what I want from them, because I've shared a few 2024 T20 World Cup experience and instances with them, so that taste, they should feel that taste. And the mood in the camp is very happy, very relaxed, very excited for the World Cup. I told them there's very less people who get an opportunity to represent India, that too on the home soil. So it's a great opportunity. So just enjoy it and cherish it.
All the best to you.
Thank you.
Surya.
Yes, sir.
Let's talk some cricket. Just wanted to ask you about slow ball, and especially someone like Sam Curran's moon ball. जब एक लेफ्ट आर्म फास्ट बॉलर डालता है स्लो बॉल, and especially like a guy like Curran who goes and bowls from 80 kph or to 40 or something, as a right-hander batter or just as a batter, what is the challenge?
I think see, it's all about your skill. It's all about how you want to practice those deliveries. I think those we've been trying to do that. Yes, there are a lot of teams, lot of batters who enjoy playing against pace, but at the same time, this comes with the skill. If the left arm fast bowler or any right arm fast bowler has a skill of bowling nice slower deliveries, it's all comes with practice. You have to just practice it in the nets and then be prepared for that in the game.
Hi Surya, we've always seen you smile even if things are not going your way, be it your runs, be it a likely rule out of Harshit. Have you always been like this? Is this something you worked on?
There's already enough pressure from outside. Oh, I didn't say that. See, there's already so much going on the ground when we are off the field. So I think when we are on the field, we just want to be relaxed, because I feel the preparations, what we do during practice sessions when we are in the room, I think that sets the tone when you come on the ground. As I've always said, it comes on autopilot when you come on the ground. You have to let your emotions flow and take the best call what the team needs on that given day. So at the same time, and this format is actually very harsh for the bowlers, sometimes to the batters as well. But you have to be relaxed, give them company at that time, make them relaxed, take their breaths back and just enjoy it. You're there as a group for 75-80 minutes on the ground when you're fielding. So I think that's the time we have fun on the ground and then enjoy it.
Hi Surya, apart from the pressure and the leadership role and all these things, as an individual also, is this World Cup a little extra special for you because it's a home World Cup? पहला match भी आपके home ground में है. You've been given this legacy by your senior Rohit of defending the title, especially at home. So does it add an extra factor here?
See, it's as I said, playing at home soil is always excitement. I felt that when we played the ODI World Cup in 2023. Crowd coming in numbers, people having chat arounds when you're traveling on the airport. So it's a good thing. It gives you motivation all the time. But yeah, at the same time, it brings a lot of responsibility also, that you're getting to lead such a wonderful side, that too in India at home soil, starting at Wankhede. So boys are very excited to take the field tomorrow, and I'm sure there'll be a lot of excitement.
सूर्या, आपने कहा कि ये फॉर्मेट जो है बॉलर्स के लिए बड़ा हार्श है. आपके पास वो लग्जरी है, इंडिया में मैच हो रहा है, 2 स्पिनर वरुण चक्रवर्ती और कुलदीप दोनों आपके पास हैं. क्या वो ऑकवर्ड क्वेश्चन होगी, गुड हेडेक होगी आपके लिए, या फिर आपके लिए क्लियर है कि नहीं, ये दोनों मैच विनर हैं, स्पिनर्स हैं, हर मैच में खेलेंगे, या हर मैच से पहले कंडीशंस कैसे देखते हो इसको?
देखिए, अभी ये तो एडेड एडवांटेज है कि आपके पास इतने अच्छे बॉलर्स अवेलेबल है, बट एट द सेम टाइम आपको कॉम्बिनेशन भी देखना पड़ता है कि सामने वाले टीम के अगेंस्ट आप किसको खिला सकते हो. इफ़ देयर इज़ अ नीड कि हम 2 स्पिनर खिला सकते हैं, 2 रिस्ट स्पिनर खिला सकते हैं, तो हम डेफिनेटली खिलाएंगे. बट येस, इट्स ऑलवेज गुड टू हैव ऑप्शंस लाइक वरुण चक्रवर्ती एंड कुलदीप यादव, 2 बेस्ट स्पिनर्स in the world, and it is a very good headache. Thank you, gentlemen. Have a good day. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. आज आप छुप के बैठे हो लेकिन